Then come up towards the mid-do-and curve. Lorenzo fights back. There's no way through that time. There he is. He's pushed Dani Pedrosa wide.
He's pushed him right off the track as well. That was it into turn 2. They touched there. He touched the second time, and Pedrosa tries to get back into the race, but he's down there in 5th spot now.
This is the incident. He's up at the do-and corner.
He is on the inside, but yeah, you can see he has just eased Pedrosa wide and out of the way, and we'll get a wrap on the knuckles for that, if nothing else.